In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog with Notion step by step. Notion is a versatile tool not only for organizing your projects or workflows, but also for setting up your personal blog. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation for creating your blog right here in Notion, without any third-party apps or complex setups. Let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll want to open Notion and start by opening a new page. If you're new to Notion, this is essentially like a blank canvas where you can build out almost any kind of content. So to open a page, just look for the plus new page option. This may seem simple, but it's the gateway to all the customizations you'll be doing. So let's get comfortable with it. Once your page is ready, we move on to the exciting part of selecting a template. Templates are pre-designed frameworks that can save you a ton of time. Look for the Templates button, which is typically found in the left sidebar or at the top right. Clicking it will open up a whole library of design possibilities tailored for different uses. After you've opened the template section, the next step is to use the search feature to find exactly what you need. For this tutorial, you're going to search for blog. Simply go to the search bar that you'll find within the template library and type in blog. This will narrow down the options to templates that are specifically structured for blog setups. Once you have your search results, you'll see a variety of templates tailored for blogging. Browse through them and select one that appeals to you. Each template comes with a unique layout and style, so make sure the one you choose aligns with the vision you have for your blog. This is where you make your blog truly yours, whether you prefer something minimalistic or a template that's bursting with colors. Now that the template is chosen, it's time to add it to your Notion workspace. Look for the Add button, usually situated somewhere noticeable like on the bottom right of the template preview. By clicking Add, you'll incorporate this beautifully crafted template directly into your Notion. Finally, you'll be asked to choose where in your Notion you'd like this new blog template to live. It could be within a specific workspace, a project folder, or your main dashboard. Wherever you choose to store it, accessibility is key to keeping your blogging process smooth and seamless. That's it! You've successfully initiated your own blog using Notion. With your blog set up, all you need now is to start creating content and personalizing your space as you see fit. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in getting you started. Happy blogging!